Welcome back. We are practically at the day's low once again. Pull up that intraday chart on the Nifty and you would see that after a flattish opening, there was a big decline that we saw in the markets at around 9:15. The low today was 17,446. After that, in a matter of minutes, the markets recovered. It went to levels of 17,700. And since then, there has been a grind down in the market with excessive selling coming through just in the last 1 hour. And once again, the Nifty now below that 17,450 mark, around that level. We are pretty much again at the day's low. Let's quickly take stock of the Adani Group stocks. There you have it. Adani Enterprises, where the 20,000 crore follow-on public offer is open for public subscription. That stock is currently down. It's now back in the red. It was holding up in the green through the trading session today. From the day's high, it slipped 10%, which means at one point of time, Adani Enterprises stock was up 10%, and now it's given up all those gains and is in the red. The stock is currently trading at levels of 2,730, much below the FPO price, the floor price that they had set of 3,112 on the way down. So even if you take into account the 64 rupee retail shareholding discount which will be given, it turns out to be 3,050. That's the price retail shareholders will get it, and the stock is well below that. Even the other Adani Group stocks like Ambuja Cement, Adani Ports, these were stocks which were holding up in the green, and they too have now sold off.
Yes, and the impact can be seen on the markets as well. As you pointed out, at the day's low, the Bank Nifty has actually extended the losses that we were talking about, around 700 points lower on the Bank Nifty as well. So it's a good time to get a technical check on the markets and get some expert advice as well. We have with us Mitesh Thakkar of earningwaves.com to tell us just that. Mitesh, well, once again, we have come to the day's low, and after that tad bit of a recovery that we did see, Nifty has again broken those levels. What are you suggesting? Will we see more pain because it's been 3 continuous days of massive selling for our own markets?
So I think one, we are heading into an event, and budget would be a very important event. But having said that, the structure has been very weak. I was earlier in the day highlighting that for the last week, the Nifty had a very big red candle starting from 18,200 to as low as about 17,490. And similarly on the Bank Nifty. So I think till we break the pivots, which were the earlier consolidation lows on the upside, which was 17,800 for the Nifty, till we start going beyond that, I would be slightly negative and will maintain mild short bias. And because of the event, I think it's not aggressive short bias. But I think a good chance that we will test the 200 average, which is around 17,300 for the Nifty. And maybe in case the budget is slightly on the negative side or mildly disappointing, then I think even levels below that. So such as week till we cross 17,800 very clearly.
Okay, week till we cross 17,800, and you see the Nifty heading towards its 200-day moving average, which is 17,290, 17,300. Mitesh, individual trading ideas, and are you seeing retail shareholders throwing in the towel? Look at the kind of fall that we're seeing in individual names as well. The Nifty Bank too is now down 700, 800 points. In a matter of 10 minutes, it sold off an incremental 200 points.
So I think the pressure is very clearly there, and for the Bank Nifty as well,
All right, so looks like